Hey you guys, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Today I'll be making some chicken enchiladas. Hope you like the video. Okay guys, I am back home getting ready to make these chicken enchiladas. And let me show you my ingredients. Okay, I got cheddar cheese, green onions, green chili sauce, chopped black olives, rosemary to refried beans, and then I bought a rotisserie chicken and I chopped that up. It's all chopped up. And I got the corn tortillas that I'm going to fry a little bit and then soak them in the green chili sauce and then roll the chicken and the cheese up in there. I'm not gonna do any with beans, and I'm gonna do a pan of chicken and a pan of cheese enchiladas. So yeah, that's all the ingredients that I have. And I thought I had more taco seasoning mix, but that's cool though, because I got this carne asada seasoning, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, y'all. That's it. I'll be back. Okay, right now I'm just slightly frying the tortilla shells. I got my chicken cooking. It's all seasoned up and everything. And I got my enchilada sauce mix, the green chili enchilada sauce mix in the pan back there warming up. Then I just took the tortilla out and put it in there, let it soak for a minute, then I'll start more tortillas. That chicken was seasoned so good. I didn't have my, did I have my, I did, well, I did not have my light down there at that time. But a little bit later on, I did. See, frying them tortillas, the corn tortillas, you guys. I have made it before with flour tortillas, but they were too, like, chewy and moist. Like, the shell got kind of, I don't know, the texture wasn't too good all up and through my mouth like that, and no, it wasn't that good. So I said I'd just continue to use the corn ones. I thought I was doing something new, but I wouldn't. I know the real word is wasn't, but I'm saying I wouldn't. You don't like it, so what? I don't care. Okay, it's just repetitive. You put the taco shells in there. Let them cook for a hot second. Then dump them off in the enchilada sauce mix. I don't know if I said this before, you guys, but usually I use green sauce for my chicken enchiladas and red sauce for my beef ones. And although I said I was going to make a pan of cheese enchiladas and chicken, I didn't. Oh, I was showing you guys, oh my God, and it started spilling out. I was looking at the camera to make sure you guys can see it, and then it spilled on the floor. Oh, well, it's okay. That was a green chili enchilada sauce mix that I was just showing you guys. And I'm telling you guys, I use the rotisserie chicken and get it all chopped up and stuff. Sometimes I put it in my food processor when I want to shred it. And then sometimes my husband just picks it apart if we like just having tacos or regular stuff. I don't know. But what was I just saying? Yeah, I use the rotisserie chicken. I don't be doing all that boiling and all that waiting for it to get done. I always look for a shortcut to take. And that's a shortcut. Okay, you guys, I already put a little bit of the green sauce at the bottom of the pan. Then I put some tortillas in there. The tortillas that I took out of the green sauce, I put in the pan. And I'm almost 100% sure I'm about to add some chicken to that. Come on, Lola, add the chicken. What's taking you so long, girl? Adding that chicken. Just basically putting it on all the little tortillas that's right there. Oh, you guys, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna be delish. And now I'm gonna put some cheese over that chicken. And I like it super cheesy, you guys. My grandson up the stairs. He won't. They just never let me be great. Okay, I got the cheese in there and I put a little bit of green sauce on there. And because the... Hold up. Wait a minute. No, you're not using my phone to watch Mickey. I'm editing a video right now. Can you wait? If you don't... You want to put your nose to the wall? That's the dog. What? You're knocking my blankets over. Stop. Move. No. Get out of my room. No. Then be quiet. Anyway, before I was so rudely interrupted, you guys, somebody wanted... I'm not going to say that right now. I'm going to say somebody wants to be put in the corner for about 15 minutes. And he's real sleepy. Then be quiet and wait or you're not going to watch anything. Do you own any TVs in this house? No. Are any of these TVs yours? No. We don't have to let you watch them. I don't care if it is a gang of them in here. Quit acting bad, you're going to see the lids of your eye. Okay, you guys, anyway, I'm layering it again. I put some cheese on there, a little bit of the green sauce, and then I put some black olives. And then I put more tortillas in there now, you guys. And I just keep repeating the process. And that is pretty much it, you guys. It's super simple. I mean, you can make this meal in under, like prep it up in under, I say under 20 minutes if you get the rotisserie chicken. And it only has to stay in the oven for about another 20 to 30 minutes. I put my oven to 370 because the tortillas are already cooked, the chicken is already cooked. You just basically wanting that cheese to melt that's in there. Okay, you guys, here I go putting more chicken. I think this is the last layer of chicken I'm gonna put on it. It is, because it's usually about 3 layers. It is usually 3 layers. I got a confession, you guys. This is my confession. My confession is I made these enchiladas last Sunday. And I was supposed to post it on Monday, but I decided to post something else on Monday. So now today is Monday, and I didn't feel like what I was gonna post today. So now I'm putting these enchiladas up here. But yeah, they were the bomb, y'all. I couldn't even hold it in them. They were the bomb. Yep, they were the bomb, diggity. And then I gave a lot to my oldest son, and we had a lot here, and we had like a quarter of a pan left. And I cut it into squares and put it in Ziploc bags in the freezer so that if anybody wants any, if anybody wants any, they can just take some out the freezer and warm it up. What else did I do that with? I made something else too that was really good. Lasagna. I did the same thing with the lasagna. Made a big pan, and then I took, what was left over. Made it into squares, put it in Ziploc bags. So that if somebody wanted, shoot, because I'm prone to, I don't cook all the time. It just seems like I cook all the time.
I got macaroni.
What? You want some macaroni? Go tell your daddy. He makes the best macaroni and cheese ever. Okay, I am almost done with this. You guys, I'm almost done. So yeah, I had to confess. I felt guilty not saying it. I really did feel guilty. Huh? Boy, if you don't turn that light on and go down those stairs. So yeah, I made them on last Sunday. They're supposed to be one of last week's posts. Or actually, Tuesday for Taco Tuesday. And tomorrow is Tuesday. Should I make some tacos tomorrow? But see, I don't think y'all be wanting to see me because it's a hair channel, but I also have that I do other things too, like vlogging and pranks and stuff like that. I do have some pranks on there. I do have some food challenges on there. I have a whole lot of hair on there. And it's mainly a hair channel, you guys. So sometimes I like to break it up. Some customers don't like getting their hair recorded when they're getting it done. A lot of them don't. And then, you guys see me make enough wigs. I might make some more. I'm going to. I don't have a choice, but I don't know if I'm going to record it or not. I shall see. But I am going to be putting this, doing a video on this cute burgundy wig, y'all. It's so cute. And it's a headband wig. So that's going to be coming up this week. And then I have something else. What color is that hair? Ginger colored hair. I have to make a wig out of that. And then I have some 22-inch body wave hair. I got to make a wig out of that. So I'm mostly making wigs this week. I still have clients to do, but as far as YouTube, I'm making wigs. I might just vlog the one of the ginger wig. You guys haven't seen me do one of those yet. Yeah, I might. We'll see. But for now, we're talking about these enchiladas, y'all. These enchiladas that I'm ready to be done with. D-O-N-E with. Okay? And I'm almost there. Look at all of that. You guys, let me know some of you guys quick and easy meals that go a long way. I don't mind trying other people's recipes. I really be looking for stuff to cook because I cook this stuff all the time. I'll be like, what can I cook that's new? So send me some of you guys' quick and easy meal recipes. Like them go a long way ones. Because I don't want to be cooking all day long. I really don't. And then different meals I can make for Taco Tuesdays other than enchiladas and tacos but something along the Spanish, Mexican or Spanish food for Taco Tuesday. Oh, I should try making a Mexican pizza, huh? I should try that. I've never made that before. And they don't serve them at Taco Bell anymore. They took them off the menu. They always take the good stuff off the menu, like the Mexican pizzas and the enchiladas. They took that off the list, off their menu. They take all the good stuff off. Okay, guys, I'm all done. I know it looks like it's not a lot of green sauce, but trust me, it is, because the green sauce is in the shells, the corn shell, the shells and saturated, and then the green sauce that I put in between. It seems like it's not a lot, but it's a lot. Because if you put too much of that stuff, should be soggy. Excuse me, I wasn't trying to say that curse word. That food will be very soggy. Soggy. Now I'm putting it in the oven. And I'm going to wait for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to get done. Now I'm making my refried beans. And usually my refried beans, I put a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt, that carne asada seasoning by Lowry's, and some accent. And I put butter in there and a little bit of paste picante. And what else? And sometimes I put a little bit of canned milk in there. I can't remember if I did or not this time, y'all. I made this video last Sunday, you guys. Yep, those beans be good. I don't even really like beans like that, but for some reason I like them when I make them and add all my extras. And I also put cheese in there too. I put cheese in the beans too. See, there's the cheese, y'all. There's the cheese. You guys look at this boy here. He just want to mess with all my stuff, just all of it. No, 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 no.
All that, I don't know why you put them up there.
Okay, you guys, everything is done. Put my green onions, my enchiladas, my refried beans. I know it don't look too cute right now, but yeah. I got the mozzarella cheese and the cheddar cheese all mixed in. Green onions, if people want something extra, sour cream, and the paste for crunchy. I was gonna do Spanish rice, however, I decided I didn't want to. I really didn't decide I didn't want to. I forgot to get the rice from the store, so that's why there is no Spanish rice. So I will send you, let me cut into this. Hold up, you guys. Let me sit you guys right here so I can cut into this. And I know it's probably going to be too whatever because it needs to cool down, but I'm just going to cut into this for you guys. So these people in this house can see. And it still needs to cool down. Guys, look at all that cheese. Black olives, everything. Let me see what's up with this right here. It's bomb. It's bomb. I don't know why my cheese ain't doing that line, but it's good. And I forgot to add that. I also added a little bit of canned milk and butter. My baked beans, some accent, and some Lowry seasoning salt, and a little bit of the Lowry carne asada seasoning. Cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, so yeah. I added that to that. And on that note, right here. And on that note, I'm done.